Good morning everyone. Welcome back to your English language class. I hope you all are fine and well. To begin, we are starting with Unit 2 Part B, Organizing and Planning. Organizing and Planning, Composition. Now the first part here in organizing, I have put down outline. Now in outline, you must know how to prepare an outline, what are the advantages of the outline, and what pattern we should put our outlines to. Now to discuss it more, in preparing you have eliminate, group and level, and order. Last one is order. Now what are the things we should eliminate? The unimportant ideas which we do not require or which is not very necessary, we will eliminate those ideas. The next one is we have group and level. In outline, we cannot write all the detailed subheading. We have to group the subheadings to a heading and write it and label it. Next one, in order. In order, we have to put down what comes first and what comes next, so that our outline must be clear and very easy to read. Next one, if you know, advantages. Now, quick. It is time saving. When you prepare an outline, composition becomes time saving. It is easy to read and identify ideas, facts and examples. When we put our outlines in order, just like preparing in order, when we put, it is very easy to read. We know exactly, we can identify exactly what are we going to write next, what are the facts are coming, what are the ideas are coming. The third part, pattern, we have to write in two ways, type and principle. Type and principle is commonly together, like we have to write the composition in narrative type. We cannot write it in one word. In narrative, we can write it in chronicle order. And if you go next, we can see comparison or contrast. What are the things are common, what are the things are different. We write it with its with a difference. And the next part, if you read next, you will come across its effect. Like what are the cause and what are the effects. So if you write in type cause and effect, you can elaborate or explore your cause and effect and write it in your composition. Now for the next part of organizing and planning for your composition, planning includes outline and theme. You have already discussed what is outline. If we see theme, theme is the summary of what is intended to write. What we are going to write next is the whole plan comes under theme. Now for example, in your book you have the theme of city life. City life today is increasingly becoming worse and will eventually destroy the inhabitants. Now under theme, when we see that life is becoming worse and it is destroying, so what are the things life creates, and then what are the things which are destroying? We will describe it in our composition and write the headings and subheadings under outline.